Hi. Let's learn what is a capital improvement and how it works. A capital improvement is a durable upgrade, adaptation, or enhancement of a property that increases its value, often involving a structural change or restoration. It must endure for more than 1 year upon its completion and be durable or permanent in nature. Examples include adding or renovating a bedroom, bathroom, or deck in a residence, or installing new HVAC systems or ADA-accessible features in commercial properties. The IRS distinguishes capital improvements from ordinary repairs due to normal wear and tear. Capital improvements typically increase the market value of a property and expand the usefulness of the property. The cost basis of a property is the original cost of the asset, and a capital improvement increases this cost basis. This, in turn, reduces the tax burden when the property is sold. Capital improvements also receive special tax treatment and may be exempt from sales tax in certain jurisdictions. However, repairs or maintenance that do not add value to the asset are not considered capital improvements. The IRS sets specific standards for a capital improvement to qualify as a cost basis increase. Costs incurred in making the improvements are added to the owner's basis in the property, reducing the taxable capital gain when selling the property. Local exemptions may allow landlords to raise rents to recoup the costs of major capital improvements in rent-stabilized buildings. The Major Capital Improvement Program in New York State allows landlords to raise rents by up to 6% annually for qualified capital improvements. An example of a capital improvement is a homeowner spending $50,000 to renovate the kitchen and add a bathroom, which increases the cost basis of the home from $650,000 to $700,000. When selling the property, the taxable amount for the capital gain is reduced due to the increased cost basis from the capital improvement. Another example is a capital improvement fee, which is a one-time fee charged by a homeowners association whenever a property is sold and is used to pay for future improvements in the community. A capital improvement plan is a community or municipal project that sets out the funding and planning for capital improvements over several years. It lists major, non-recurring expenses tied to buildings, land, or other infrastructure, along with the deadlines for their completion and the community's plans for financing. A certificate of capital improvement is a document that certifies that a certain project is considered a capital improvement and is given by the owner to the construction manager or contractor to indicate that no sales tax is due. Here are 4 key takeaways. 1. A capital improvement is a durable upgrade, adaptation, or enhancement of a property that increases its value, often involving a structural change or restoration. 2. The IRS grants special tax treatment to qualified capital improvements, distinguishing them from ordinary repairs. 3. In addition to enhancing a home, capital improvements can increase the cost basis of a property, which in turn reduces the tax burden when it is sold. 4. In some states, capital improvements can allow landlords to increase rent more than what the law would otherwise allow. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.